In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach images to Trello card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload an image from your computer and place it neatly in a card's description so your teammates can see it right where they need it. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. In the results, click the official Trello website to open it. This is the quickest path if you don't have Trello bookmarked. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to do so before you continue. Once Trello is open, head to the board where you want to work. This could be a team board or a personal one. Find it from your recent boards or your workspace list and open it so you can see the lists and cards on that board. With the board visible, click the specific card where you want to attach your image. This opens the card details, giving you access to the description and other settings. It's best to choose the exact card tied to the task or topic your image supports. Inside the card, click into the description box. If it's empty, you'll be starting fresh. If there's existing text, that's fine. You'll be inserting an image alongside or below the current content. In the formatting toolbar above the description, click the image icon. This brings up your attachment option so you can choose how to add your picture. Select Upload from your computer. Your system's file picker will appear so you can browse your folders. This is helpful when the image is saved locally on your device. Navigate to the folder that contains your image, click the file you want, and confirm. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For smoother uploads and faster loading in Trello, aim for a reasonable file size and a clear file name. After selecting the image, wait for the upload to finish. You may see a progress indicator. Keep the card open and avoid navigating away until it completes, especially on slower connections or with larger files. When the upload completes, the image appears inside the description editor. Click the picture you just added to confirm it's placed correctly and looks the way you expect within the description content. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Your image is now embedded in the card's description, ready for teammates to view. If you need additional visuals later, you can repeat the same process on the same card or another one. And that's it. Your image is attached and saved right where it adds the most context.